My car was in the garage all night and there's ashes everywhere. What? Even in the garage, my car got ashes all over it. Look at this sky. It's actually a lot better than it was yesterday, but there's still smoke everywhere. So today we're going to be working on the Z. So we are trying to figure out how we should make the rear part of the fenders.
I really like the shape of my old ones before they got blown up, but it's not going to be as wide, so it's not going to be as aggressive looking. So I don't know if that'll work, but I'm just trying to look up what different styles of over fenders there are. It looks to me like there's pretty much only like 2 styles. So it'll be the same type of like cut with that transition, or something more lines of like this, like just stock. So I'm running into a dilemma because if I run the stock styled over, the wing will look way too aggressive for the body. So I'm trying to find the best of both worlds. If worst comes to worst, I'll just take off the wing and run it wingless for now until I can either make my own wing or find one that I like. I don't really have a wing that I prefer right now for the Z. I actually prefer it wingless. The 326 styled wing is actually really unique, at least to the 350Z chassis, especially since I custom made the brackets and stuff. But like I said, my favorite is without a wing. So it's either I run wingless and run a stock styled over fender like this, just like a small transition, but I like both of them. So I don't know what to do yet. Yeah, not too tight because I'm gonna strip the hole out. See, so look, this is how it was with the wide body, right?
Leave it like that.
Okay.
And then take this.
Like that, and then just fill this in?
Yeah.
Yeah? You think so?
I think that's how.
Does that work? Everybody watching is like, what the heck? I don't even see whether this works. No, it needs to come down more because it's not going to be as aggressive, so it can't have like a huge taper, you know?
Yeah, okay. Something like that.
Don't play me like that.
Just a few more pieces of tape and it's ready for paint.
Yep. So I'm gonna fiberglass this, and then I'm gonna probably smooth out that fiberglass panel first, and then I could make a mold off of that smoothed out panel. That way I have an extra mold. So in case I blow out on these again, I could just grab the mold and throw some fiberglass in there, and then we'll have a whole new fender for after.
That looks like the fiberglass that gets everywhere.
It is the fiberglass everywhere.
How many temperature you think it is right now?
Probably like 101.
101? It's 102.
That means I have to work super fast because the fiberglass will dry. Work fast. It looks like a mess, and it honestly is a mess. Wait for it to harden, and then we'll figure out where my next step is gonna be.
What, your nails still drying?
This is your work, yeah?
Guess the exact weight.
He
Sure.
He did it?
He did it because he wanted me to do the salon. So it turned out to have this.
Now I'm gonna go ahead and shave down this whole quarter panel because there's bondo up at the top from when I blended in the other flare. And then once it's all nice and primed, I'm gonna go ahead and make a mold of this whole quarter. That way, if I do blow another flare, at least I have a mold on hand so I can make me another one. More horsepower, yeah. See this?
I heard about those, man.
Yeah, I heard about those. Actually, I heard about the doll. They had a yellow one too, yeah. Is that one more faster?
No, because usually when you pick colors, you want to...
Oh, like red is extreme, that's why.
Yeah, yellow, you know how it means slow down? That's why the yellow is slow down.
Oh, okay, yeah. Red is danger.
Yeah.
Red is danger, okay.
Yeah, that sucks though. It's like our cars that we're trying to build is our slowest cars.
We can't do Thanos blame will be all the way in right.
Okay, I'm just gonna order tires and have them shipped here then. Yeah. And then we'll put it on the car.
He's like, just get it ready for me. I'll go put them on. The bondo, just sanded everything down and primered it. We do need to do another skim coat just to make sure that everything is smooth, but so far it's looking pretty good. And for the other side, this is how it's looking. All Blaine did was cut it off since this part was salvageable. So this is the part right here that kind of broke off on the other side, but since this side was good, he just cut it off and moved it a little bit more in just to make it not as wide. And did the same thing where it just looks kind of like an OEM line coming down, and I really like this style. So this side is looking good too. We just need to sand everything down just to make sure that everything is smooth.
Okay, so we're gonna call it a day. I got a lot done today. I'm gonna go ahead and finish blending this into the panel, and then we can go ahead and prime it another day. That's it. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more. I'll catch you guys in the next one, alright? Peace out. Stay good.